There was a time when the Airbus A380 represented the future of air travel. Bigger, quieter, more luxurious than anything before. But today, that future is quietly fading away. When Airbus introduced the A380, it wasn't just building an aircraft. It was building a vision. A world where millions of passengers would flow through massive global hubs, connecting continents through a single giant machine. Airlines embraced that vision, and nowhere more than in the Middle East. Carriers like Emirates turned the A380 into a symbol of ambition and prestige. Private suites, onboard lounges, even showers at 40,000 feet. This wasn't just transportation. It was an experience. But over time, the cracks began to appear. The A380 was designed for a world that no longer exists, a world built around massive hubs and predictable passenger flows. Today, that world is changing. At its core, the problem is simple. The A380 is too big and too expensive. With 4 engines, it consumes far more fuel than modern aircraft, and fuel is one of the biggest costs in aviation. When demand is strong, the A380 works, but when it isn't, it becomes a risk. At the same time, a new generation of aircraft has arrived, the Airbus A350, the Boeing 787, smaller, more efficient, and far more flexible. Instead of filling one massive aircraft, airlines can now operate multiple flights with better control over demand. And in today's market, flexibility is everything. Passengers have changed too. They no longer want to connect through hubs. They want to fly direct, point to point, faster, simpler, more efficient. And this shift is quietly reshaping the entire airline industry, leaving aircraft like the A380 without a clear role. Global events only accelerated the decline. The pandemic disrupted demand, geopolitical tensions reshaped networks, and airlines were forced to adapt quickly. Aircraft that once defined luxury became difficult to justify. And yet, the A380 is not gone. Not yet. Airlines like Emirates are still investing in it, still flying it on the busiest routes in the world, because when it works, nothing else comes close. But its role has changed, from a global backbone to a specialized machine, reserved for only the most demanding routes. The era of the super jumbo is not over, but it is becoming more selective. The Airbus A380 didn't fail. The world simply moved on,